Hey guys, welcome back to AMF. Today I'm going to show you guys a DIY facial pack that's easy peasy and can be done in 5 minutes and will have a long lasting benefits. So let's get into it. So the other day I was having dragon fruit, which is low in blood sugar, rich in antioxidants, naturally fat free and whatnot. So I thought to myself, well, there must be a few uses of dragon fruit skin as well. And after googling and researching a little bit, I got to know that dragon fruit skin has way more benefits if applied to skin as a facial. And then I did experiment on my face, and then I definitely got succeeded. So I wanted to share with you guys as well. So let's get on with the process. Firstly, scoop out the pulp and next peel the skin that's between the outer layer and the pulp like I'm showing it here. Apparently, dragon fruit skin facial is the world's second best facial. It helps in removing suntan, helps in skin firming and reduce the wrinkles, also for the acne prone skin. Also, this fruit contains vitamin C that gets you the glowing skin naturally. Well, this DIY facial pack has to be instant made and instant used. It cannot be stored for days or hours in the fridge or outside. So this bowl will suffice for 2. Now let's blend this dragon fruit skin and little amount of milk depending on your comfort. You can also replace the milk with yogurt or vitamin E capsules. Whoa, look at the color, that looks beautiful. And now all we have to do is cleanse the face and apply this face pack for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off. From what I have observed is my skin felt smoother and brighter and a little bit detanned. So I absolutely love this face pack and I'm sure it has way more benefits if used once a week, and I would suggest you guys to try as well. So guys, this is it for today's video. I'm sure you liked it, so please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.